What's up? What's up, everybody? What's happening? Let me just make sure we're live. Hopefully y'all are doing well today. It's been a while since I went live. I'll be honest with you guys. I got kind of sick, man. I got kind of sick and I wasn't able to go live. So that's pretty tough. So I think we're live right now. All right. All right, it's going to be quicker. Again, we're back in business. If you guys are here, do me a favor. Let me know. If you are new to the channel, hey, think about subscribing. Smash that heart button. Give it a like. All that good stuff. Again, we didn't go live last couple weeks because I was sick, man. So let me see who's here. And let's share the screen. Right there. Boom, boom, boom. All right, everybody. Hey, so my name is Jeff. And hey, welcome to the Trade Zone. We usually do this every Friday, but I wasn't able to do it last couple of Fridays. I got sick. It wasn't COVID, but man, I got sick. So we're going to jump in and do it today. So we're going to do a market review, take a look at what happened, point out a couple good things, give you guys a couple trades, and let's rock and roll. We do it about 15, 20 minutes. So let's hit it hard. All right. Thanks, everybody, being here. And again, do me a favor, guys. If you're new to the channel, hey, subscribe. Really appreciate it. All right. Let's start off by looking at the SPX. I want to show you guys something. Hey, who's here? Let me know who's here. All right. So this is a 30-minute chart. I was doing some trade today, but let's take a look at this. I'm going to point out something that's pretty interesting. So today the market was up 33 points. So this last week, we had a pretty, this week was kind of boring. We had a nice, beautiful up week, little pause, down move, boom, we bounced today, a little mini bull flag. But let me show you guys something that's really important. So take a look at this picture. Okay, so I want you to just look at this picture right here. Let me know who's here. Okay, so we got a bull flag, right? So let me show you guys something. You guys know I like to look at the Aussie-Japanese yen. I look at the Aussie-Japanese yen because the Aussie-Japanese yen tells the real story. So I want you guys to look at this. Okay, look at this. Uptrend, pull back. We bounced. Okay, I want you to remember this picture right there, okay? Remember that picture. Let's go back to the S&P 500 because I believe that's where we're at right now. Remember, this picture right there. Sorry, I had to draw it. All right, let's go. Bam. Look at that. Look at that. So the Aussie-Japanese yen, guys, it's the carry trade. So when people are scared, they go to the Japanese yen. When people are not, they invest in the Aussie. So look at this picture. Remember the Japanese yen. So it went up, it went sideways, and then rolled over. So is the Japanese yen telling the story? I mean, this picture right here is identical to what happened. And the reason why this matters is look at this picture right here. Okay, you guys remember when it went down, went up, okay? So that was on 10/14. Remember this picture. I talked about this a couple weeks ago before I got sick. Bam, look at this. Okay, look at this. So we went down and went up. Same exact picture. Here's the difference. That day was 10/7. 10/7. What was the market? This is so fascinating. 10/14. So what happened with the Australian dollar was this pair actually gave us like a glimpse of the future. Look at that. Boom. We broke out. The market 7 days later did the exact same thing. So let's think about it. What did I just say? What I said was the Australian dollar yen did this bull flag. Then it went sideways and then it rolled over. So if it already showed us a glimpse of the future, what's to say this isn't going to do the same thing? So all I'm trying to do, guys, is get y'all to think about stuff that you never thought about before, because If this is any indication, we're going to do this and then bam. Now, I'm not saying we're going to crash, but the reality is the Aussie Japanese yen tells the story. But overall today, I mean, we had a nice day, nice up move. I'm expecting it to bounce maybe one more day, go flat, and then roll over, just like the Aussie did. All right, let's look at the QQQ. So the QQQ, the NASDAQ was up 1% today. Same picture, right? That beautiful bull flag, pullback, went sideways, had a bullish harami, and bounced. Same thing, nice up day today. So the S&P 500 we just talked about, same picture. Again, I believe it's going to stall out, roll over, right? The Forecast Pro down here, we got a strong. Let me put this on for you guys. So the Forecast Pro, if we go here to my indicator, go down, you've got this strength label. Let's go ahead and do some of the strength label. I'm going to show you guys some cool stuff. So right now, we're bullish strong. So this indicator, again, we are bullish. We are bullish. I mean, and the indicator says we're bullish strong. This green line is in the upper zone. The only thing that I want you guys to pay attention to is the Aussie Japanese yen did the same damn thing. What's up, Eric? Yeah, man, I was sick. I was sick for like a week and a half, bro. It wasn't COVID, but man, it got me, bro. So that's what it is, my man. I feel a lot better though today. A lot better today, man. So anyway, that bounce. Appreciate you being here too, brother. So look at the diamonds, right? The diamonds. So we pull back into this flag and we bounced. Okay, well, today it's not necessarily a bounce. It's more of a bullish harami, but all the pictures are looking the same. Every single one of the major indexes has this bull flag. So let's talk about the bull flag for a minute. Yeah, thanks, brother. So this is the flag, right? A flag, just like this one. Bam. We would expect it to break to a new high. That's what bull flags do. They go up, they pull back, they break. They go up, they pull back, they break. The only thing that concerns me is the Aussie Japanese yen did the same dang thing. Right? Same thing. So I'm thinking we're going to do this, and then we're going to roll over. Okay? If I'm wrong, so what? I'm bullish, but you guys got to be heads up with that. Now, the VIX was down this morning. We're going to look at some setups too. So the VIX was down 7%. The market's up. That's what we would expect. Also, today's silver. Oh, I'm going to show you guys something else. So do you guys look at silver and gold? Let's go look at GC. So check this out, guys. Check this out. So we had that same bull flag. This is the futures contract. And we broke through. Let's look at this day right here. So we had that beautiful pattern and we broke through on 11.5 and we went up. Check this out. Just giving you guys stuff to think about. Same pattern. We broke through on 11.11. So what does that mean? If you watch gold, gold is going to show you what's going to happen with silver. How could you have benefited from that? Well, if you saw gold break out and silver has not, silver was down here. For those of you that trade breakout trades, there you go. You could have a high probability and a high confidence that silver was going to break out because gold already showed you what was going to happen. Guys, it's like crypto, right? If you go look at crypto, let's go here and look at crypto really quick. Let's go to Trading View. Okay, let's go look at crypto. It's the same thing, man. These patterns, they all repeat themselves. So the Aussie Japanese yen can give you a glimpse into the future for the S&P. Gold gives you a glimpse, or silver, at least right now. Let's go take a look at Bitcoin. All right, what's Bitcoin doing? Okay, check this out. So Bitcoin's at 63,857. So a couple of things. Right? Bitcoin's in a squeeze, right? So it's building up energy for its next move. Building up energy for its next move, right? Went down, broke out. Right now it's in the expansion leg, and we're right here at support. So if we bounce from here, and you can take your Fibonacci, and you can measure from high to low, and you're looking at around 73, just the 168, 73,000 up to anywhere from 77. So around $75,000, right? If it breaks out of that high. But that's not what I wanted to show you. What I want to show you is they all follow the same pattern. All of them. So look, Bitcoin had its May high, went down, it based, went up, pulled back, shot up, right? Then did what? Cup and handle, right? Boom, boom, boom. Now, almost everything follows Bitcoin. So look at this high right here. This was September, right? Kind of that mini cup and handle. Bitcoin's broke out. Now, so what do? We go find assets. Check this out. Let's go look at not Dodo. What the fuck, dude? All right, let's go look at Dogecoin. Look, I'm not a big fan of Dogecoin, but the reality is this. Almost all of the cryptos, at least in the top 100, form the same damn pattern as Bitcoin. So all you got to do is watch what Bitcoin did and then go invest in assets that haven't done it yet. So check this out. This is all you got to do. So you've got its May high. Look where we're at. I did a Fibonacci from high to, let me see. Let's do a Fibonacci from high to low. I think I drew from high to low. But look, right now, we're sitting under, well, let me zoom it out so y'all can see. Right there. Okay. I'm going to redraw this right now. Just for you guys. Because you guys are rock. What's up, Eric? My man. All right, let's go. So let's draw a Fibonacci from high. And we're going to extend it out low. Where's it at? Okay. Guys, we're in the red zone, man. Look, from high to low, we haven't even crossed the 0.23 extension. Think about this. Bitcoin is already up. Well, it's not its high. It's September high, right? It's already up there. So what we want to do is we want to go find assets that haven't broken out yet. I mean, look at this cup and handle. Saying, hang on, what's going on here? I got all these drawing items. Check this out. So remember that cup and handle? Here's the September. Went down. We're right here. Draw your line. Bitcoin's already up here. This is going to catch up to Bitcoin. So if you're going to make some money in crypto, all you're going to do is watch the pattern of Bitcoin, and you're going to go invest in assets that just haven't caught up to Bitcoin. That's as simple as that. Don't even make this crap hard because it's not hard. But I tell you this for a reason. Let's go look at Polkadot, right? So are you going to invest in Polkadot right now? Check this out. Polkadot, okay, think about the September high. Think about the May. I got into Polkadot right there. It pulled back. It bounced off this trend line, and I sold Polkadot earlier this week. It's not that I don't like Polkadot, but I took my profit, right? It was, I bet it's $1,000 and it made like $4,000. But here's the point. Are you going to go invest in Polkadot? Polkadot is already broke its high. Go find assets yet that are down here that haven't broke out yet. Like, look, let's go look at Stellar Lumens, right? Podbean is going to be pretty packed tonight with live shows. It's like this show. Oh, wow. I like it. Man, I got to go to some function tonight. Man, I'm going to check it out, though, for sure, Eric. Hey, look at this. Y'all like Stellar Lumens? I like Stellar Lumens. It's a wonderful look. Okay, perfect. Check this out. Are you going to go invest in something that's already broken out to its, its high? It's already hit its extensions. Look at, what the fuck is that? Look at that. It hasn't even broken September high. It's nowhere near its May high. Look at all that. So if you take a Fibonacci, from high to low, where are we at? We're sitting right in that 0.61 range. It hasn't broke out yet. So is Stellar Lumens going to break out? Yes, it's going to break out because Bitcoin has already broken out and Bitcoin is sitting up here. They all follow Bitcoin, all of them. They just catch up, right? They're just a little bit behind. So if we go look at, well, XRP, we know XRP is suppressed. Let's go look at Solana, right? Solana. Appreciate you, Eric. Okay, I do, my brother. Appreciate it. Yeah, you know, it's a lot of work, man. I mean, I want to do it, Eric. And maybe what I can do is I can do these simultaneously, right? Like put it on Podbean. That way, it's just a lot of work, man. I'm a one-man show, brother. And I have my Facebook show. I went live on Facebook last night as well. So I know what you mean. Okay, so check this out. So let's go look at Solana. Y'all like Solana? I like Solana. The project is awesome. Awesome. Okay? And look where it's at. Look where it's at. Take that same high. Draw your line. Look at that. Oh, my gosh. Okay, look at this. I'm going to show you guys something. And again, this is what I'm talking about the Aussie-Japanese yen. The Aussie-Japanese yen, it's showing us what's going to happen in the market. Just like gold shows us what's going to happen, silver. Bitcoin shows us what's going to happen. Okay, look, check this out. I want you to remember this picture. It went here, went down, and look at this little base, right? It went up and pulled back. And then what did it do? Well, that's terrible. So it went like this, formed this little pocket, went up, and formed that cup and handle. Broke, and it pulled back. It's pulling back. So just remember this picture, okay? Remember that picture. Cup and handle in the middle. Go back and look at Bitcoin. I don't know if you guys have been looking at it like this. Man, let's go back and look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, here we go. Oh my gosh, look at this. So it went down. It didn't really go sideways, but it did break out. It's already back up its high. But my point is, look at this nice, beautiful cup and handle. So, you know, Polkadot did the same thing. Solana did the same thing. You can go look at HBAR. I don't know if you guys like HBAR, but I love HBAR. It's one of my favorite projects other than XRP. XRP is my favorite project. So go look at this. It hasn't even got back to its September high. So if you draw a Fibonacci from high to low, it's right about that, you know, 0.61. So it's still got some room to run. So Bitcoin's going to show you exactly what's going to happen. All you got to do is look at Bitcoin. And I know I love crypto. Man, I love crypto. But I'm not going to just go buying stuff to buy. Just look at underperformed assets. Look at the Bitcoin picture. And then get into assets that haven't made that move yet. That's all you got to do. Okay? So going back to this pair right here. And I mean, I'm putting a lot of attention in this because nobody talks about this. Nobody. So the Aussie-Japanese yen, this is the Australian dollar versus the yen. I trade Forex. Went up, pulled back, it bounced, went sideways. This picture right here is, sorry guys. This picture right here, except it hasn't happened yet. So if we get another day bounce, this picture right here, it's the Aussie-Japanese yen a week and a half ago. So if that is giving us any indication, don't go jumping into look, you do what you want to do. All I'm saying is if you go jump into a lot of squeeze trades right now, a lot of long-term trades, and you get in them, and this does this and rolls over, you're going to get stopped out. You're going to get stopped out. Okay? But anyway, oh yeah, probably helps with generating traffic. Yeah, you know, I need to look at me. Eric, just reach out to me too, my brother. Reach out to me too. We'll talk about it. Bonds. So what are bonds doing? I got in Testing. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Sorry, I accidentally hit mute. So check this out. I don't know if y'all heard me, but look at USO. Beautiful squeeze. Perfect. Right in the between the 8 and the 34. Boom, that's money. So how can you take advantage of it? XLE, right? XLE. XLE, you guys notice I'm in a trade right here. I like the squeeze. So then you can go look at stocks in that sector. But just kind of overall recap really quickly, because I pointed out some important things. The market was strong today, up 33 points. All the major indexes were up. The VIX was down. That's good. We are bouncing. We are bouncing. But today, this pair right here, it was up, but that's not what I'm talking about. This pattern right here, it could be showing us what's going to happen, okay? Could be showing us. So I like oil. I'm in oil. I love it. I'm in Chevron, ExxonMobil. Bonds. Bonds are setting up for a beautiful bull flag. Love it. We talked about some Bitcoin, right? How you can easily make money in the cryptocurrency space. Easily. All you got to do is go find assets that haven't made the move. I mean, look at Stellar Lumens. Look where I got into Stellar Lumens. Right down here. It hasn't broke its high. It's sitting right around that, 617 extension. Bitcoin's already broke out. Go get underperforming assets that haven't broke out yet. And then when they hit your targets, you can get out and then you just get back in, right? So Stellar Lumens. I mean, I think personally people make crypto too complicated. It's simple. It's simple. Do your fundamental research. Find what you like. Go look at the charts and watch Bitcoin. And then whatever Bitcoin does, go find an underperforming asset that hasn't broken out yet, or it's, in this case, still back in here, because Bitcoin's already, actually Bitcoin broke out, what is that? Last month? You need to go find some assets that haven't broke out yet. Okay? Bitcoin's already here. So I'm not putting money into Bitcoin right now. It's too far, right? Go find underperforming assets. Today, I put some money in, believe it or not, Dogecoin. I hate Dogecoin, but I don't really care. I'm here to make money. And Dogecoin is right. It still hasn't launched up yet. It's got its move coming, right? Cardano. Let's go look at Cardano. Yeah, message me, brother. Message me. Cardano. All right. Oh, my gosh. I added some more today. Check this out. So this is what I'm talking about. Look at the September high. We came down. We're basing. I entered here. I added here. Oh, my God, dude. I want to put some more money in this one. Look, go down to your Fibonacci. Look at that. We're in the red zone. We haven't even made our move yet. It's basing. So here's what's going to happen with Cardano. You watch. It's going to break. It might kind of form that squeeze, go up, break, and then take off, just like Bitcoin. So if you're going to put some money, I'm not recommending you do anything. But what I'm saying is, look where it's at, right? It's basing. It's basing. It's right where Bitcoin was like a month ago, man. Look, Bitcoin was basing down here. This is where Cardano is at. And if it follows Bitcoin, which is going to follow Bitcoin, you're talking about a monster move. I put money into Cardano today and Dogecoin because they're still way down here basing. They're here. Here. They haven't got there yet, okay? Yeah, just a couple more, my friend. Don't leave quite yet, brother. So anyway, just pay attention, guys. I'm in bonds. I like bonds. So let's go look at a couple setups really quickly. Glad to be back. Really quick. Don't go nowhere, Eric. Let's go ahead and look at some really quick. Y'all get y'all's piece of paper. Let's go. So we're going to look at ADM. Let's back it out a little bit. Okay, so this is in a nice squeeze. ADM, Archer Daniel. Write that one down. We want it to pull back a little bit, but that's a good one. GNW, look at that one. Beautiful squeeze. Forecast Pro, we had a divergence. We had a divergence right here, bullish divergence. Perfect. Love it. That's a good one. Write that one down. AIG, it's just now kind of pulling back. We're still above the 50. I like that one. That one right there is the Pro Shares Oil. MRO, look at that one. Boom, beautiful squeeze. We're still strongly bullish on the Forecast Pro. Love it. This is a nice one as well. Beautiful squeeze. Key. EOG. Let it pull back. We're strongly bullish. We had an intermediate confirmation signal. For those of you that have the Forecast Pro, you see this dot? This dot was an intermediate confirmation signal. So it's a good time to add to your position when you get that dot. Okay, watch out for earnings. Don't take that one. Met. Now this is kind of basing right here. Momentum shifted. Our blue line is crossing the 50, which, you know, again, not too bad. Let's go to G. No, this sucks. EA, no. Right here. Kind of got an ascending triangle, right? JP Morgan. Honestly, it's not bad. It's right there. So it's okay. Wells Fargo, not too bad. Yum, no. J&J, no. BK, I like this one. We just got into a squeeze. Bank of New York, beautiful. We're strongly bullish on the Forecast Pro. The blue line's up there. Check this out. We got an intermediate confirmation signal, a double. Okay, double. So that's very bullish right there on that indicator. And let's go look at just a couple more. Let's go look at HIG. Look at that. Beautiful squeeze. We're in an orange squeeze. You know, we got the blue, we're bearish. So you might want to pass on this one, because right here on the Forecast Pro, we're strengthening bearish. Stay away from this one. Don't mess with this one. I already told you about that one. Right here's a bull flag. We're bullish week. No. Okay. Bullish week. No, pass on that one, guys. I mean, I gave you also Apple. Now, it says we're bullish week, but I do like how this is one of my favorite patterns right here. You went to, it's kind of like Bitcoin, right? High, low, pullback. You got this squeeze. We call it a flag squeeze right in the middle. More than likely, this is going to break out to this high, and then it might do that cup and handle. So I like Apple. Okay, so that's quite a few. But the biggest thing to remember, guys, is if the market, if the Aussie-Japanese yen is telling the story, some of these trades, if you get in it, you might want to get out quick, right? Get a couple day pop, get out. Get out. Right? You don't, because again, you're okay. It's okay to take short, just take the quick gain and get out. Because, I mean, I believe the market's going to go up, it's going to go flat, and it's going to roll over if the Aussie's telling the story. So that's quite a few trades. So Bitcoin, again, just look at Bitcoin, look at the other pairs. I put some money in Dogecoin today, believe it or not. I hate Dogecoin, but I love where it's at. Cardano, we looked at several charts. H-bar is a good buy. Polkadot, nah, not right now. XRP, yeah. Matic, let's go look at Matic. Somebody asked me about Matic. Y'all like Matic? I like Matic. All right, let's go look at Matic. Okay. No, it's not a good buy. Not right now. See, look, same thing. When here went down, I mean, doesn't this look... You tell me if that doesn't look identical to Bitcoin a month and a half ago. Okay? If you guys would have just watched that, you would have known that this bad boy right here, because Bitcoin was already broken, you would have known this was a good opportunity to drop some bombs. I'm not recommending you do nothing, but Bitcoin went down, it based, it's already broke out. It's just sitting right there, Bitcoin, okay? Now, I did add some Matic today, but it's for my longer term bag. So it's not a short-term trade. I like Matic. Polygon, that's good. So, but it's up here. We want to invest in assets that are here, ahead of the move. That's all you got to do, man. Go put some money, sit back for the ride, baby. Woo! All right, everybody. let me do this. Sorry, hang on a second. Hey, thanks for being here. Hey, guys, do me a favor. If you enjoyed that and you're new to the channel, this is what we do. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell, right? Make a comment. Let me know you were here, right? If you're interested in any of the indicators and stuff that I offer, just check down below in the description. That's it, right? So for those of you that are in my live class, we'll see you Monday. We're going to get at it. We're going to talk some futures trading, right? I got some good things to talk to you guys about futures trading. Take a look at those setups that we talked about tonight. Take a look at the crypto market. Take a look at the crypto market. Watch the Aussie Japanese yen, and you guys will rock and roll. If you enter a bunch of squeeze trades this week, you might want to just get a couple-day pop and get out. That's okay. It's okay to take profit. All right, everybody. Hey, thanks so much. Eric, my man, I only saw you making comments. I know who's here. I was sick. I wasn't on last week, but hopefully we're back. Hopefully y'all found value. If you're interested in my course, just check down below because we do this every day except Saturday. And actually, we do classes on Saturday too. Y'all have a wonderful evening. Hopefully y'all make a lot of money this week. And if you need anything, just email me, jeff@tradingparttime.com. jeff@tradingpart-time.com. Shoot me a message. Let's go make some money in crypto. Let's make some money in options. Let's make some money in futures. And for those of you with me in Forex, you know we're going to make some money in Forex. So peace out, everybody.